Got a noisy server, 3D printer, or other equipment driving you nuts? Let's build a soundproof box to keep the racket contained. Here's how to do it in a few simple steps, perfect for your home office or workshop. First, grab your materials. You'll need a sturdy wooden box or MDF panels for the frame. Think 3/4 inch thick for solid mass. Get acoustic foam, mass-loaded vinyl, and green glue for soundproofing. Don't forget hinges, a latch, and ventilation fans for airflow. Build the box. Cut your panels to fit your equipment, leaving a few inches of clearance on all sides. Assemble with screws and seal every joint with acoustic caulk to block sound leaks. Add a hinged lid for easy access. Next, layer the soundproofing. Line the inside with acoustic foam to absorb high-frequency noise. Then, glue on mass-loaded vinyl for extra density. It's like a soundproof shield. Use green glue between layers to dampen vibrations. Add ventilation. Noisy equipment needs to breathe. Install quiet PC fans with soundproof vents or flexible ducting to keep air flowing without letting noise escape. Finally, test it out. Place your equipment inside, close the lid, and listen. If you hear leaks, add more caulk or foam where needed. Your box should cut noise by 50% or more. For more tips, drop a comment or check out our other DIY guides.